The title of this video is Continuing the Nord Legacy. What's this legacy that I'm talking about? Well, it's the legacy that Carl Pei created with the original OG OnePlus Nord almost 3 years ago. Yes, Carl Pei, the guy who's been up to nothing these days. Anyway, jokes apart, we all know that Carl Pei is a genius when it comes to creating hype around a product. We all know that by now, and he did an excellent job in terms of creating a major hype around the original OnePlus Nord. I still remember going to the offline store, buying the smartphone on first day, and then creating like 5 to 6 videos in the coming month. Almost all of those videos did very well in terms of views, likes and shares because of the hype around this product. Now the thing is that Carl Pei has moved on to nothing, but OnePlus is continuing the Nord legacy, and this smartphone, OnePlus Nord 3, is a prime example of that. Inside the box, you get some cool stuff. A black color case, which I do like, some stickers, the phone itself in this Tempest grey color, an 80-watt charger, and of course, the iconic red charging cable. Wait a second, I almost forgot the most important thing inside a box, and that is the SIM card ejector tool. This thing gets lost within the 5 minutes of unboxing a smartphone. If that happens to you as well, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. Now, the original OnePlus Nord was created to cater to an audience who don't want to spend a lot of money on flagship smartphones, but don't want to buy a super cheap budget smartphone as well. It was catered towards people who want to buy a well-balanced smartphone at a fair price. And that's exactly what this smartphone is. A well-balanced package which comes at a fair price tag, well, at least according to 2023 standards. It all starts with that beautiful display. As I said in my last video, I am a fan of flat displays, and this one has that. In fact, OnePlus also removed the plastic screen frame so that they could make the display seamless and flat, and I feel that is a great move. I love flat displays and I stand by it. What do you guys prefer, flat displays or curved displays? Let me know in the comments down below. Now, this is a high resolution and fast AMOLED display. The resolution over here is a little weird. It comes up to a 1.5K display, so there's that. Panel quality is top notch, great colors, gets plenty bright for outdoor visibility, and the content looks stunning on this display. It also supports HDR10+, and playback is supported on the Netflix app. So movies, TV shows, videos, everything looks stunning on this beautiful display. As I mentioned, it's a fast display clocked at 120Hz. Refresh rate has been pretty smooth in the UI and first-party apps, but I have noticed a couple of frame drops here and there with third-party applications. Now, this is normal for new smartphones, and maybe OnePlus will fix that soon with a software update. Speaking about software updates, I just got one today. It updated the security patch to July 2023, which is awesome, and apparently also improved the system stability and the camera as well. Now, OnePlus is promising 3 years of major Android updates and 4 years of security updates with the OnePlus Nord 3, so that is great. OnePlus promising this is a very good deal. Now, the iconic and minimal character of Oxygen OS has vanished in the past couple of years. Don't get me wrong, the software is clean with no bloatware or ads, but the iconic Oxygen OS character is missing. I feel that OnePlus has taken a lot of things from Oppo and Realme's UI, and in that whole process, Oxygen OS got lost. So this is where OnePlus has not carried over the legacy properly in terms of the character of the software. But anyway, coming back to the point, the software experience is fast and smooth. There are a lot of useful features, and the overall experience of the software is good. The performance and optimization have also been good as far as my initial impressions go. Dimensity 9000 plus fast RAM and fast storage are working well here, and the overall system feels very fast, does not lag or something like that. As far as my initial impressions go, the performance on this smartphone has been solid. It's time to talk about the cameras. Now, this is where things get interesting. There are 2 cameras on the backside, main and ultra wide, and I have been clicking a lot of photos with them. Here are my observations. First up, dynamic range is solid when it works properly. Shadows and highlights are exposed in the proper way, and the overall photo is well balanced in terms of exposure. But when it does not work properly, the photo does not look well balanced. The shadows might be crushed, the highlights might be overexposed, and the photo does not look good. So I feel that the auto HDR mode needs to be more consistent. 8 out of 10 times you will get a great photo, but the other 2 times you will not get a good photo in terms of dynamic range, and this is true for both the cameras. Next point is color. There is a particular look in OnePlus cameras, and that's the exact look that you get with OnePlus Nord 3 as well. A little saturated colors, contrasty images, and I do like this look. I don't hate it at all. It's not like I hate the colors. There is a typical look, and that's the look that you get with this smartphone as well. And actually, I'm okay with the colors. Same thing goes for the details as well with the main camera. The main camera is able to capture detailed photos, and you can easily edit them in post. As a matter of fact, you can also shoot photos at 2x or 3x zoom without losing a lot of of quality, and that is excellent. Now the ultra wide angle camera is not that great in terms of details. The perspective is excellent. In fact, it is one of the best ultra wide angle perspectives in this price range, but the details are not that great. The photos are soft, and that 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera needs to improve from next year. This is what I said in my Moto H40 video as well, that 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera needs to be improved. As far as video recording goes, you can shoot up to 4K at 60 FPS, and the video quality is decent, but the stabilization is not good. Especially while shooting 4K videos, the stabilization is okay, not that great. So currently walking down the road and shooting this video with the front camera of the OnePlus Nord 3. Now you guys let me know about the video quality from the front camera as well as the microphone quality, because it's pretty noisy out here. There's some cars going by, the wind is flowing, so please let me know about the microphone quality. That is very important. And yeah, the front camera video shooting is limited to 1080p, no 4K support here, which is kind of sad, to be honest. Selfies from the OnePlus Nord 3 are great. They're detailed, the skin tones are good, and the dynamic range is great when it works properly. The same auto HDR thing applies here as well. All in all, the camera experience is good, but there is room for improvement. What about battery life? Well, battery life has been good, but these are only my initial impressions. I cannot give you a full review about battery life as of yet. I will make a full review video, and in that I will talk about battery life in detail. Obviously, you do get super fast charging with the charger inside the box itself. This is the thing that OnePlus has been doing great constantly, super fast charging. But you do not get wireless charging as you do with the Moto H40. So yeah, that is a thing to note. Now I am not comparing these smartphones as of yet. I will make a dedicated comparison video between the Moto H40 and the OnePlus Nord 3. That video is coming next. So again, make sure you stay tuned to the channel and hit that subscribe button with the bell icon. This gets me to the little things. The alert slider is back. It's a very convenient feature. You can use the alert slider to switch between various profiles, sound, vibrate, and silent. This time around, you also get an IR blaster with this smartphone. Again, a very convenient feature, and one that I was not expecting, to be honest. An IR blaster means that you can easily use this smartphone as a remote control for various appliances, TVs, ACs, projectors. You can use it for them. There's also an in-display fingerprint sensor. It's fast, accurate, no issues over there. The biometrics on OnePlus Nord 3 are fast. The speakers are also good on this smartphone. It's a stereo setup. They get plenty loud and do not distort. So that is the main thing. They do not distort and produce clear sound. But you do not get the headphone jack with this smartphone. RIP headphone jack, you will be missed. Coming back to the main point, OnePlus is continuing the legacy of Nord series with this smartphone. I think that they've done a great job for the target audience of this smartphone. People who want a well-balanced smartphone at a fair price. Now, how is this phone well-balanced? Well, performance is great, but not flagship level. Display is awesome, but not flagship level. Cameras are good for the price, and same goes for other things as well. You're getting like 85 to 90% of the flagship experience with this smartphone without spending a lot of money. I think that it comes for a fair price by 2023 standards, and for the price, you are getting a very well-balanced package with the OnePlus Nord 3. So if you are looking for a smartphone in this price range, I do recommend the OnePlus Nord 3. It's a great one. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel as well. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.